Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie. Here on YouTube, I make free videos on DIY hairs and skincare for my beautiful black ladies looking for ways to grow their hair and radiate their skin naturally. You can support me by hitting the like buttons, commenting, subscribing, and sharing my videos with friends and family. In this video, I'll be showing you all how I made my lemon infused oil and the benefits, because it had great benefit both for the hair and skin. Okay, so but before we go to the benefit, I need to show you guys the process in which I made the oil. First, we'll be needing our lemon, which is very important. It is lemon oil. So we'll need our lemon and we'll need a grater, because we will not be using the juice of the lemon. Okay, the inside will be using the back of the lemon. Okay, and that is where the main work is, because you need to put in a lot of energy. It's quite not easy to grate. Okay, so as we are doing that, as the grating is going on, let's discuss on the benefit of lemon oil. It has so many benefits. Okay, so many benefits, as I said earlier, for the hair and for the skin. Lemon oil has strong antimicrobial properties, just like ginger. Okay, so for this, it is very, very good for dandruff and even lice. Okay, for those who has natural hair that is infested with lice, you can use lemon oil on it because of the high level of antimicrobial properties that it has. Okay, it can be used on a scalp. When you use it on the scalp, it unplugs the dead cell on your scalp. When used in the scalp, lemons unclog the pores around the follicles, which reduces dandruff. This oil works as a hair tonic and can make your hair shinier and much stronger. And the citric acid, which is vitamin C, present in lemon oil, prevents the hair follicles from getting loose. That means reducing hair fall. Lemons has antifungal properties, which keeps the scalp infection free. Lemon oil controls production of oil in the scalp, thus preventing an oily scalp. Back to the video, we are done grating it, and the next step is to put it all in a container. Okay, a glass container is preferable. Okay, but if you can't find it, you can use a plastic as well. So you have to put in all this into a container, all the grated lemon into a container, and then you get in your carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. Okay, you can use coconut oil, you can use aloe vera oil, you can use rosemary oil, any oil that you feel comfortable with. You can use it, but I used aloe vera oil here because it is easier for me to purchase it, and also I prefer olive oil rather, not aloe vera oil. Sorry guys, it was a mistake down there. It's olive oil. So I prefer olive oil because it's easily accessible to me. After adding your carrier oil, okay, you need to make sure you shake the mixture properly. You need to shake it properly. It's very important before you put it down. Okay, you let it to sit in a corner for at least 10 days. Okay, and during these 10 days, once in a while you go and shake the mixture. It's very important. So this is after 10 days, guys. This is after 10 days. As you can see, the color has changed, and you could, when you open it, you could notice that it is properly infused. Okay, so it is time for us to filter our oil. Let's quickly talk about the benefits of lemon oil on our skin. Okay, we all know lemon oil is very good in lightening and brightening the skin. Also has all the benefits, which are, because of its antiseptic properties, lemon oil helps to restore the skin's natural balance. Okay, and it reduces excess sebum on the skin, and also it has beneficial effect on skin that suffers from breakout, as it helps to purify and cleanse the epidermis. The oil is ready, fam, and I use this weekly. Actually, I use once in a week, but you can use it as you desire. This is the end of the video, fam. I really need your support. I need your support. Support me in liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this video with friends and family. It will enable me to make more videos. Your support is highly appreciated, guys. See you in the next video.